Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Nobita Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled Agentic AI, your AI assistant that makes plans. Nobita here. We've seen AI create amazing text and stunning images. But what if AI could go beyond just generating things? What if it could actually do things for you? Like a super smart assistant that thinks ahead and makes plans? Today, we're diving into Agentic AI, your new AI companion that doesn't just talk, but acts. Remember a simple chatbot? You ask a question, it gives an answer. Very direct. But imagine an AI that could, say, organize your entire day, including booking appointments and sending reminders. This AI isn't just answering. It's acting to achieve a larger goal. Agentic AI is all about moving from simple responses to understanding a goal and taking multiple steps to reach it. Think of an agent in real life. Maybe a real estate agent helping you find a house, or a travel agent planning your trip. You give them a big goal. Find me a house. Plan my holiday. And they break it down, make decisions, and take actions to achieve it. An agentic AI is similar. It's an AI that takes a high-level goal and then independently strategizes, acts, and makes decisions to fulfill that goal. So, how does our AI assistant make plans? It's a structured process, much like how you'd tackle a big project. 1. Understand the goal. The AI first figures out exactly what it needs to achieve. 2. Break down. It then dissects the big goal into smaller, manageable steps. E.g., plan trip becomes find flights, book hotel, research activities. 3. Choose tools. For each step, it identifies what tools it has to complete the task. 4. Execute. It then starts performing the steps, one by one, towards the ultimate goal. An AI can't just think about booking a flight. It needs to do it. This is where tools come in. As developers, we can give our AI access to various functions, or APIs. Application programming interfaces. These are like little programs the AI can call upon. For example, a search internet tool, a send email tool, or even a book calendar event tool. The AI's planning brain decides when and which tool to use to accomplish each step in its plan. What happens if a step in the AI's plan fails? Or if it finds a better way? Agentic AI isn't rigid. It reflects. After taking an action, it asks itself, did that work? Am I closer to my goal? If not, it can learn, re-evaluate its current plan, and adjust its next steps. This reflection loop is what makes Agentic AI truly adaptive and intelligent, allowing it to improve and handle unexpected situations. This is where you, the developer, become key. You won't just be using AI. You'll be building these powerful agents. You'll define the goals, equip them with the right tools, APIs and functions, and help them understand their environment. Imagine building an AI that automates your complex workflows, manages your projects, or even helps you write code. Agentic AI opens up a whole new dimension for creating truly intelligent and proactive applications. Today, we learned that Agentic AI is about creating AI that can understand goals, make plans, use external tools, execute steps, and even reflect on its progress to achieve complex tasks independently. It's an AI that doesn't just respond but acts. For you, the aspiring developer, this means building AIs that don't just talk, but do. Get ready to unlock new levels of automation and intelligence in your applications. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.